Hello everyone. So in this video we will discuss about why Python is a general purpose programming language. Okay. So we can mention so why Python is a general purpose and what is the means of general purpose here? Basically Python has many features. Like Python is a general purpose. It is dynamic in nature. It is a high level programming language. Okay, it supports object oriented programming approach. So like we have many features of Python. But specifically we will discuss here why Python is a general purpose and what is the means of general purpose here. General purpose means Python is like we can use Python everywhere. We can use Python in multiple domains. Like we can use Python in cybersecurity, in networking, in website development, application development, okay, data science, ML, AI, etc. So automation even. Okay, so we can use Python everywhere. Now, why we can use Python everywhere? Like why Python is such a general purpose programming language? So basically because of Python is an open source programming language. Okay. Now open source here means we can modify the source code of a official Python. Like we can read the source code of a Python, even we can modify and contribute in the source code of a Python. That is why we have like a vast amount of libraries, features and frameworks and packages in Python because of its nature of open source. Okay, like we can modify, we can even contribute in the Python official documentation. Okay, like language. So that is why we can say that Python is a general purpose. Now where we can use Python? Okay, so we can use Python in like data science. Okay, so we can use Python in data science. Now in the data science, we can use Python libraries basically. Like in we have NumPy, we have pandas, we can use here matplotlib. Okay, scrappy. More else we have cufflinks. Okay, and plotty, etc. So we have like many libraries. We can use ML. We can use Python in ML. Okay, we can use Python in data mining. Okay, in data mining, in website development, in GUI applications. So in the GUI application, we can make use of Kinter, okay, PyQt, etc. And in the ML, we can use like TensorFlow, PyTorch, scikit-learn, etc. In the web development, we can use Django. Okay, so like in the mathematics, we can use like NumPy, pandas, etc. So due to the nature of open source, that is why we have like large amount of libraries, frameworks, and features. Okay, in Python. That is why it is known as general purpose programming language because we can use it everywhere. And why we can use it? Because of its nature of open source. Okay, so that's it. Thank you.